inside the box you get your little drill, you get a handy little USB charger. You also get a good selection of bits. So you should be able to open up almost any radio, speaker, that type of stuff, Xbox controllers, little electrical pieces of equipment. Okay, we have a new tool. Probably a little bit more of a gimmicky type thing. It's probably not going to be professional use. It's a fun little thing. It's a little screwdriver. Probably for taking parts off like little radios, little speakers, stuff like that. Nothing hardcore. It's a little 6-shooter design. This comes off and you can select what bits you want to pull in there. I'll keep these ones in there for now. Load it back up. When you're ready, pump it back. You're ready to go. It's changed a bit. You're gonna pump it. Ready to go. So I've got this old radio here at the shop, just in the junk pile. So I'm going to use this tool and see if we can open it up. Turn it around, we've got a couple of screws. Yeah, there's one. Oh, magnetic too. See if you can see this. Sorry about my camera skills. Continuing on to open this radio up. Like I said, it works great on little pieces of equipment like this. I don't think you're going to be pulling screws into big pieces of wood and getting a lot of torque out of it. It's only a 4-volt little thing, but if you have Xboxes around the house, PlayStations, DVD players, that type of stuff, I think it works perfect on that.